everyone, welcome back to my channel, Just Ria. You don't know who I am Ria. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, this is going to be a cash stuffing, as I'm pretty sure you can see by the title and the thumbnail. I already have my amounts separated and how much I need to go into each envelope and what increments. Um, Let me first start by saying that this is fake money. It's not real. I'm doing a cashless system now because going to the bank was just too much of a hassle for me. Um, it just got old to me. I got tired of going to the bank every 2 weeks trying to get this cash out, and then I had to put it back in to pay the bill, and it was just beginning to be extremely too much. So I decided to completely go cashless, and that's why I have this fake money. So in order to make this work, I'm going to keep a copy of my receipt, and then I'm going to track it with the trackers on the back of the envelopes, so that way I know how much is left, or if there isn't anything left, basically. Also, I have my checking account set up to where it's tied to my savings account, and if my total is like $50.50, then it will round to 51, so it's always an even number in my checking account, and I don't have to worry about the cents, which is an extra plus. Um, so, like I said, I'm going to put the amounts of how much is going into an envelope at the right. I'm going to go ahead and count this out for you. Well, here I'm counting out the money. It's $995. Honestly, you guys, this was not supposed to be a voiceover, but I had the wrong cord in my mic. I had the cord from my iOS for if I'm recording on my phone, but I recorded this on my camera and it recorded absolutely no sound. So I'm counting out $995. Um, I'm going to separate it out right now, put it in my cash tray, which has my name. I got this customized from Etsy. I will see if I can find a link to where I got this customized from on Etsy. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure you guys can search it in Etsy and find this the person who made this one or something similar, because I'm thinking that they're becoming very popular. But let's just get right into this cash stuffing.
So while I get everything set up, um, I just want to thank everybody that who has been continuing to watch me. Thank you so much for sticking around. I know I've been gone on a hiatus, but I'm trying to make a comeback and be consistent. I promise. The first envelope I'm going to be stuffing is tithes and offering. I'm really trying to stop saying. I got good at not saying it, and then I stopped doing videos, and now I'm back at it again. Oh, it's so annoying. Bear with me though. Tithes and offering is going to get $20. It's going to be 110 and 25, so that's 10, 15, 20. The next envelope, you guys, is going to be gas, and gas is going to get $80. I'm going to break this $80 down with three 20s, 110, 15, and 5 ones. And guys, this cashless system is completely new for me, so I may miss a few hiccups, lose a few receipts because I forget sometimes that I am doing a cashless system and I need to keep those receipts. But just bear with me. I'm going to get it together. One way or another, I'm going to get it together. But moving on, the next category after gas is groceries, guys. Groceries is going to get 250, and I think I'm showing you guys the tracker on the back of the envelopes, and that's what I'm going to use to keep track of my purchases. I need to buy a dry erase marker though, so that I can write it down and then be able to erase it to reuse and be able to use the envelopes in the tracker for the next use. But groceries, like I said, gets 250, and that's going to be two $100 bills and one $150. After groceries, it's going to be house stuff. And house stuff is going to get $50. And that's going to be broken down in 120, two tens, and two fives for a total of $50. And I'm sticking that right in the envelope. And the next category is kiddos. And their total amount is going to be $150. And it's going to be 100 and 150. I'm just going to put that right in the kiddos envelopes. The next section is self-care. And self-care is very important. I'm going to get $75 for self-care. And that's going to be 150, two tens, and five ones. And the next section after that is Rhea, mine. Also, if you have made it to this point in the video, I'm trying to come up with another channel name. I want to keep Rhea in it. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And if I choose your name, you will win a giveaway prize. So yes, that's right. You heard it right here, dead smack in the middle of the video. I'm doing a giveaway right here in the middle of the video. So if you made it to this point and you suggest a name that includes Rhea, I will do a surprise giveaway for you if I choose your name. Now for Rhea, I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away. Scratch that. I'm not giving away $125. $125 is going into the Rhea envelope, and that is going to be 4 20s, 4 10s, and 5 1s. And I'm going to stick that in the Rhea envelope. So I hope you guys come up with some better names than I did, because I'm not getting anywhere. I'm just stuck with just Rhea for right now. So, like I said, have at it, guys. I know, y'all are creative. We are creative people out there in these YouTube streets. So let me know what y'all got. My next category is would be fur babies. We only have one fur baby right now, and that's Leo. So I'm just going to say Leo, and he gets a total of $55. He has a vet appointment next week for his third set of vaccines or second set for some vaccines. And it's going to be 150 and 15. The next set category is going to be grown up fun. I'm skipping Nisi, Kayla, and Alex because I combined them in kiddos. So we're just going to go straight to grown up fun. Grown up fun is going to get $80, and that's 3 20s and 2 10s for a total of $80. Okay, after grown up fun, it's going to be family outings. Sometimes we like to go out to eat as a family. And that is going to be for a total of $100. And it's just going to be this last $100 bill that is left. I'm going to stick that in the family outings envelope. And my next category is going to be giving and tips, because when we eat out, I like to give tips. Even when I go pick up pizza, I give tips. This, that, and the third, that's just my thing. But giving and tips is going to get $10, and it's going to be 10 ones. And I'm going to count these 10 ones out, and I'm going to stick them in the giving and tips envelope. And you guys, if you've made it to this part of the video, I appreciate you for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very, very soon. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a good one.